In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a powerful Notion to-do list. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you create an efficient system for managing your tasks. To begin, head over to Notion's website. Once you're there, look for the login option, which should be on the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and this will bring you to the login page. Here you have several options for signing in, but in this guide, we're going to use Google. So simply click on the Google button and select your Google account. Make sure the account you choose is the one you use for Notion. Now that you're logged in, look for the Marketplace option in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Marketplace and you'll be transported to Notion's diverse template offerings. These templates can save you a ton of time and provide a structured way to manage your tasks. In the search bar, type in To-Do List and press Enter. Notion will show you several templates designed specifically for task management. Browse through the available options and select a to-do list template that suits your needs. Each template offers a different layout and customization options, so take a moment to find one that looks promising. Once you've made your choice, click on the Add button to import the template into your Notion workspace. After adding the template, head over to your workspace's side panel and click on the newly added Advanced To-Do List. This template includes various useful filters such as Tasks to Come, Tasks Today, and more. To focus on what needs attention now, click on Today to view your immediate tasks. You can also look at tasks due in the week or even the year by clicking on the respective options, this week and this year. This structure allows you to manage your schedule in a more organized manner. Next, let's customize the layout to suit your workflow. Click on the Settings icon, a small gear symbol typically found at the top right of the template. Within Settings, navigate to the Layout option and click on it. You might prefer viewing your tasks in a table format, which offers an overview that's easy to read and edit. So select Table, and the display will adjust accordingly. As you work with your to-do list, remember that you can click on any task to edit its details. Change the task name, adjust due dates in the due date column, and if the template includes it, change the task priority. Customizing priorities can be particularly helpful if you're handling multiple tasks and need to focus on what's most important. That's it for creating a powerful Notion to-do list. With these steps, you should have a dynamic system to manage your daily, weekly, and yearly tasks, making your workload more organized and manageable.